My Saturday consisted of plenty of disappointment, and that's mainly due to the damn Nike sneakers app. I'm still on a 100% losing streak for Nike sneakers in 2021. However, all was not lost. I did manage to grab one pair of shoes that was not from the Nike sneakers app. It was a pair of dunks that of course we are going to be taking a look at today. And this is not just any dunk. Today we're taking a look at the Nike Dunk High Premium Dark Curry. So we got a regular Nike box. You can see the red, the white with the Nike branding. I'll give you a look at that size tag. Of course, it says Nike Dunk High PRM, and that of course is for premium, and the colorway. On the Nike sneakers app, it says Dark Curry. However, on the box, it says Dark Russet. So there's kind of two names that this goes by, whether you want to call it Dark Curry or Dark Russet. Either way, let's get into them. So opening them up, wow, the pair of shoes we gotta take a look at is the Dark Russet Nike Dunk High. So as you can see, like I said, this is not just any Dunk High silhouette. This is a very premium, nice feeling pair of Nike Dunk Highs. Of course, we're gonna get into everything about this brand new pair of sneakers. But first, I do have to give a big thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Hyped Cartel. Hyped Cartel is a service that provides its exclusive members access to weekly sneaker and streetwear drops. We're talking all of the big stuff: Yeezys, Jordans, Off-White, Supreme. For example, if you take a look at their last drop, they had the Murakami Supreme box logo t-shirt, they had the Yeezy breads, and a whole bunch more. They do these releases every single Sunday, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are items that are reselling for a whole bunch of money, and as a member, you're getting access to these things way under that market value. Of course, everything is guaranteed authentic and comes with the original tag, so you don't have to worry about any of that. And also, one of the coolest things is, unlike regular retailers, they have the ability to change the product names, the variants, the links, and they shut down the entire website before the release to make sure that only manual users can get through and not bots. Like, you know how this shoe sold out in seconds? Well, when you're a member of Hype Cartel, you don't have to go up against the bots, you're going up against manual users. You can become a member for only $25 a month. And on top of that, Hype Cartel provides an add to cart service which you as a member can go after all of the upcoming releases. They make sure that their service fee for their add to cart service is way lower than the market value on the pair of shoes or the item that you want. And of course, you're only going to be charged that fee if they successfully secure your pair of sneakers. Their website will be down in the description below if you want to sign up and become a member. Of course, I'll have their Instagram down there as well, so you can check out some of those crazy releases that they do every Sunday. Now, one of the really cool things about this pair of dunks is it feels like it's collaboration quality. I think I speak for everyone when I say that I generally prefer the premium materials that are normally associated with a collaboration pair of Nike shoes. And these definitely have that. These released on February the 6th here in the EU, and like a lot of sneakers and dunks in particular, these were delayed or have no set release date yet out in the US. They retail for £100 here in the UK and $120 out in the US. Resale right now is about $200 to $210, which is not the worst, but I can see these doing pretty well. Colorway seems pretty perfect for the season, you know, dark, cold, winter essentially is what we're talking about, and with this mix of various brown shades or earth tones, I think it's a really cool and fitting sneaker colorway. And And of course, it being a dunk high is something that you're going to appreciate during these colder months. Again, the colors on here are really nice. It's different various shades of earthy tones and browns. The base is the darkest brown that you find, as you'll find on the toe box, as well as the medial, lateral, and of course round towards the back. This is a really nice soft feeling suede material that you find in this kind of darker chocolate brown. This lighter kind of tan beige color that you find around the toe box and towards the back, well, this material is kind of a more hairy suede, which again just adds another layer of texture to the materials of this shoe, which I really like. The Nike swoosh is kind of like an auburn colorway, something along the lines of a dark Russet color. The eye stays, laces, and around the sock liner, they all match to kind of like a little bit of a deeper tone of a tan color. So I think that's something that makes this such a strong colorway, is the variation of earth tones and how well they kind of all fit together and the contrast. Now, if we look down towards the midsole of this, you're getting kind of two colors. You're getting a white midsole with the outsole coming in a sail color. As for sizing on the Nike Dunk High model, it fits me true to size, so that is definitely what I recommend. And if you haven't tried it on, I generally go your regular Nike size. Since we're getting so many options when it comes to the Nike Dunk model, I think it's really cool to have this where it just kind of sets itself apart a little bit from the same run-of-the-mill pair of leather Nike Dunks. So this is definitely a colorway that I recommend you trying out, because it's not just different colors, this definitely is different materials that I think, as someone who really appreciates good quality, nice feeling materials, this is one that I do really like. But hey, that pretty much wraps it up for the Nike Dunk High Premium Dark Russet or Dark Curry, whatever you want to call these. These are really fitting, really nice, and I'm super glad that I managed to get my hands on these. But hey, let me know what you think of this colorway down in the comment section below. Again, a big thank you to Hype Cartel for sponsoring the video. All information on that will be down in the description. But hey, thank you guys so much for coming through, hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one, but until then.